Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Google Forms to Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways and I'm going to show you both of them. The first of which is a power-up which I am using. However, I can't really get it to work, but let me show you which power-up this is. Now, if I go here, you might already see it. It's called Google Forms Sync. And if I go into add power-ups, you literally just need to search for forms. And it's going to be the second or third one at the top. As you can see here, it is. I already have it installed and I'm logged into both my accounts. I have synced up or authorized Google to access my Trello account and vice versa. You just need to click on Google Forms and you'll be prompted to authorize Trello to use Google Forms, as well as you'll be prompted to actually authorize your Google account. Once you've done both of these, you can then get to this menu, click add new, select your Google account. In this case, it's this one, and then you need to select a form. However, if I click it, it just appears as an error 403, and I don't know why that's happening, but for you, it'll hopefully work. Then you just need to select the form from your Google account and connect them, and whenever a new form is filled out, a card or a list will be created, or rather you need to create a list and select it, and then new cards will be created for all answers. Now, there is another way in which you can do this, and let's say this is make.com. This is one of the sites which I know which make integration easier for a couple of things. I just need to log in. I'll log in with my Google account quickly. You can do it with whichever account you would like. You can even create one for this. And once I go here, let me just log in like so. You can then go ahead and create triggers and reactions to basically integrate any app you would like. Now, for example, I go into scenarios and this is what it looks like. Over here, as you can see, new scenarios. I haven't created any, and I'll just create one and click here. And let's say I select Google Forms as my app, and let's say I get a form, and then you need to create a connection, sign in with Google, all that jazz. Let's just wait for this to happen. Just log in with your Google account, continue, and allow, and now it should have a connection. Then you need to search for a form ID. Just click search, and document title should be either test form or untitled form. I forgot which one it is. Show shared drive forms. I'll just select no, as well as trashed forms. Just click OK, and it should search, and there is no matches found. But you just find the form you're looking for, and that should be it. Then you add another module and select Trello as the second module, and then create a list, and then you need to connect to Trello and then select the board ID, etc., etc., and you just need to fill out that information and your trigger will be completed. And that should be pretty much it. Now, as again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you how Google Forms Sync works, but it should be working for you. Don't know why it's not working for me, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.